Hi, welcome back to another session of anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create graphics portrait effect in Photoshop, and we will quickly see how to convert this to this. Graphics portrait effect is very well-known effect in Photoshop. By using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful graphical results in no time. So let's start the Photoshop and start the magic. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the model image. So for this session, we are going to use this pretty model. So we will just cut out this particular picture and we'll place it on the white background. How to cut the picture? We have already made several tutorials for it. Please check the I button for the description. To save your time, I'll just fast forward this section and I'm going to use quick selection tool to perform this task. Once it is done, just select new layer with layer mask and press OK. Just double click on the background, make it to the layer, drag this particular image to the bottom and just select these two layers. Right click, convert to smart object. We will just rename it to model and we'll call it backup. Just click on this model layer and press Command J to make a copy. Select the model layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur and make radius somewhere 8. Press OK. Go to image, adjustment, threshold and make threshold somewhere 128 or 127. Press OK. It entirely depends on you. You can adjust the threshold as per your requirements. Our entire image is a little blurred out. We will just go to the Gaussian blur and we will decrease the radius a little bit. Press OK. Now just right click here and convert to the smart object. Now we will make some gradient over here. Just create another layer, fill it with black. Right click, go to blending options and then gradient overlay. Make it normal, make it radial, select scale as 150 all the way up and just click on this gradient bar. Select black and white and click on this stop. Click on color and select any color you like. So for the left top, we will choose some light shade. Press OK. And similarly, just click on the right stop and select the color a little bit dark shade. Press OK. You can adjust it as per your requirement and you can see the reflection which is coming right here. And you can adjust it anywhere you like. Press OK. Just do right click and convert to smart object. And now just deactivate these layers. Create another layer. Just activate model layer and while selecting the layer 2, the recent one, go to channels, press command or control, click on this thumbnail. Now you will notice the entire area is selected. Just press Command Shift I to invert. And once this is done, just come to layers, select this layer and press Alt backspace. After doing it, just do Command D to deselect. D like Dennis. Activate gradient layer. Right click on this particular layer. Go to blending options, gradient overlay and come to color overlay and select any dark gray color. Press OK. After achieving it, just come to inner shadow and change the settings like this. Press OK. Just right click and convert to smart object. Go to filter and filter gallery. Come to texture and texturize. Make scaling as 200. Make relief as 3 or 4. Light should be top and just press OK. And you can change the gradient anytime by just double clicking on it and adjusting gradient overlay as per the requirement. Just click on this particular layer, press command and just click on thumbnail once. Entire selection is activated. Click on this layer, create a masking by pressing Alt. Now just go to Bevel and Emboss and change the settings like Technique Chisel Soft, it should be 50%. Size should be 5 somewhere or 6 maximum. Make it 50. Make 25. Make opacity of shadow mode to 0%. Press OK. Now we are going to create starburst effect behind the model face. Create a new layer and now select polygon tool and just select pixels. Now just go to view and click on rulers, and snaps should be activated. And just drag a line like this and make it to the center. Just make sides 299, click on this icon and click on star, make it 80%, and after achieving it, just come to the center and drag it like this. And decrease the fill. Right click and go to blending options, come to bevel and emboss and change the settings like this. Press OK. And once it is achieved, we will just remove the lines inside the face. Click on the masking, make sure foreground color is selected as black. Select brush. Opacity should be 100% and just remove it. Now we are almost done, and we'll just press on this particular above layer, and we will just make Command Alt Shift E to make a composite layer, which will have effect of all the visible layers, and we have achieved so wonderful results. And you can apply this particular technique to any of the picture you want. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen that how wonderfully and easily we can achieve graphic portraits in Photoshop. And by using this technique, you can really achieve wonderful results for your any project, any kind of requirements. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com, or you can comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhav Photography signing off.